Hi everyone, it's Elizabeth with Elizabeth G Creations. I'm coming to you today with a little bit of a haul and a giveaway, so make sure that you stay till the end for the giveaway. So the first thing that I got from Hallmark Scrapbook, and it's from Concord and Ninth, and I got the winter wear stamp set, which I thought was really cute, and I just really wanted this set really a lot because you can do a lot of different things with the two different girls. You can have different scarves for them, and there's a cute hat for this girl. You can probably mask off the top of her head and do the hat for that. So I just thought it was really cute, and I wanted to go ahead and get that from Concord and Ninth. And then I also got the Snowflakes Turnabout stamp set. I have one or two other ones. I haven't actually used any of them yet, but hopefully I will use one of them pretty soon. But I wanted to get this one just because I really like snowflakes, even though I really hate snow in real life, but I do like snowflakes a lot. So I had to get this one. And then the other thing I got that I was very excited about was the Simon Says Stamp Limited Edition Comfort and Joy Kit, which comes with a whole lot of goodies. So it came with a candy cane, because you know they always got to put a little piece of candy in there. And then it came with the Tim Holtz Santa that you can alter and color in and do lots of fun things with. He's pretty cute. You also get a ink pad of the Simon Says Stamp Clear Embossing ink, which is really great. I have a couple of these. I absolutely love them. Then you get 3 things of stickles. Let's get them out here so you can see what they look like. So the first one is called Tidings, and it looks like it's all gold. So that'll be fun. And then the next one is Joyful, and it's actually mainly red, but it looks like there's some green and either silver or gold sparkle in there. Or glitter, so that'll be fun. And then there is Festive, which is mainly green, but then it has red and it looks like gold in there also, so that'll be fun to play with too. And then you also get some Darice sparkle tape, and let's take a little look at this really quick. So the sparkle doesn't come off on this. And it's a nice smooth tape, so that'll be fun. You can use that to close your envelopes or seal things, or as accents on your cards or your projects. Then you get a little bit of some dark green ribbon. Looks like it's about a yard of it. Yeah, it's about a yard of it. So that's nice. You can make bows, put that on your cards, or if you have a small package, you can use this as the ribbon on the package. So you get that. Then you get some Tim Holtz Ephemera pack, and it's the Christmas Noel pack. I've never actually used any ephemera before, but that could make some good, like this would be good for mixed media. I tend to make my cards in bulk because I sell my cards, so I tend not to buy things like this. But if you like making like a lot of different cards, then you could definitely do that. Then you get this cute pack of paper. Pretty sure it's from Echo Park. Yeah, it's Echo Park. So you got Santa, and it's all double-sided. That one, it's black with white writing, or like Christmas, like Merry Christmas, ho ho ho. There's poinsettias with some foliage, craft with some white snowflakes, craft with white, green, and red and black snowflakes. That one's really pretty. I like that one. Then you have green with some trees. You got this really cool, it's like a buffalo plaid, but then with white stripes in it. It's really different. And then you have some mistletoe, which is really nice, on black. And then you have this one that's like Christmas trees in a truck. That's really cute. Oh, I like this snowflake pattern. It's red, green, and teal, and black snowflakes on white. That's really pretty. I like that one a lot. And you got presents. You got another design that's red and white with swirls and snowflakes and deers. And then you got this really pretty ornament one. That's really nice. And white and green snowflakes. And then you have truck with a tree in it. Then you have this one that's just trees that say joy, love, peace, believe, Christmas. That's really cute. This one you could use to make like an advent calendar out of if you cut it up. So that would be fun. I have twin nieces, so I would have to get 2 of these to do something like that. But I already made them an advent calendar before. I like this one a lot with the candy stripe. That one's really fun. And then there's this one. It's kind of psychedelic a little bit for me. But it is a really cool design. I like it a lot. And there is a stamp that matches it. Then you got a solid green. That's nice. And then you have these that you can cut down. You can make gift tags out of them. I think this would be really cute for gift tags. And then you have that buffalo check plaid, but in green with the white stripes. And then you have this striped paper that you can cut down and have it be like a stripe on your card. I like this one that goes this way. Normally they always go this way. So that's nice. And the back of that one is red with white snowflakes. So that's really cool. I usually don't like a little bit of a vintage feel, but this one I actually do like quite a bit. So that's nice. And then, get rid of the rubber band. You get some gift tags. You get 2 of these smaller ones, and these are nice and thick, so you can do a lot of different techniques on them. And then you get these larger ones. You get these 2 that are craft paper. You get 3 small envelopes. These will look like they'll fit a gift card. So you get those. You get these 2 smaller envelopes. I think these are probably fit like an A4 card. And then you get these envelopes, 3 envelopes that are going to fit your A2 size card. The green one is the metallic. So that's going to be fun. And then you have a red and a white one also. So then when you get to the stamps, you have this background stamp that matches that paper that I was talking about earlier that I said was a little bit psychedelic. So there's that. That's really neat. I like how they designed the stamp to match the paper. I think this will look really pretty heat embossed just on a sheet of colored paper like red or green in either white or gold or even silver. I think that would be really pretty. And then you get this big 6x8 stamp set. This is really pretty. It has lots of really pretty snowflakes on it. It has mistletoe, some ornaments, some tree branches. And then it has a lot of great sayings. There's even a couple of packages. You could potentially use these to make a Christmas tree and then put the packages underneath the Christmas tree. That would be kind of neat. Or you could have these come off the side of the card and put your ornaments on there. Lots of great ideas on what you can do with it. They have great sentiments, Merry Christmas, Joy to the World, and the Merry and the Christmas is actually have like a plaid design on them, so that's really neat. There is a from, so here's the 2, so you can make gift tags with it. There's Meet Me Under the Mistletoe, Let It Snow, Happiest Holidays to You and Yours, Merriest Wishes for Your Christmas. good tidings of comfort and great joy. And then a whole bunch of little ones too that you can use for different things. So that's really cute. I like this one a lot. I'm pretty sure I'll get some use out of that. And then for your cardstock, you get 4 pieces of cardstock. You get the Nina Desert Storm, and it feels like this one is the 80-pound one. You get the cream, and then you get a green and a red also. And then you do also get a jar of the ultra fine antique gold Simon Says stamp embossing powder. This is what I would use with this background stamp, and then do that on the red or the green. I think that would be really pretty. Even on the craft, that might be really pretty. I would probably do it in white on the craft though, because I think that would show up real nice. So that's everything that you get in the kit. And if you follow me on Instagram, I am going to have a giveaway because I ordered a second kit. So I'm going to post an Instagram post so that you can win the second kit. You'll probably also get my candy cane because I honestly just don't like candy canes. And you may get a few other pieces. I might throw in the snowman or my Santa Claus because I'm not going to use him and I don't want him to go to waste or get thrown out. So I'm definitely going to throw him in also. And I'll also throw in the ribbon that came from mine. So you'll actually get 2 Santas and 2 ribbons. I'm not sure yet about the ephemera, but I will definitely let you know when I decide, or I'll just surprise you with it if I decide to go ahead and include that with it. But you will definitely get 2 of the Santas and 2 of the green ribbon, and you'll get my candy cane also. So make sure that you stop over to my Instagram so that you can sign up to win the kit. And just and follow the instructions to make sure that you stay qualified for the giveaway. You're going to need to like the post and leave a comment about what you are thankful for this holiday season. And then you can also tag as many people as you want. And each tag will give you another entry into the giveaway. So hopefully I'll see you guys there, and I'll see lots of entries for that. And if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys later. Bye.